Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal. We're here today in East London, having a great time. We're at East Park, a terrific location here in London, Ontario. We removed the metal roof. They had a metal roof, and as you can tell, the slope is not good enough. They had a lot of repairs, a lot of issues. They want to build a tower structure above this, so we got to make sure this roof is going to be perfect. We removed the metal roof. We checked the substrate. We put a sopraboard down. We're going to put a new 2-ply. This is a different base sheet we're using. This is a peel stick base sheet, but we're welding the edges. This is a dual salvage edge release sheet. We're doing metal flashing. We have ease trough on the other side. We're going to prime this and put the cap. That's what it looks like. Thanks a lot. Legacy Flat Roofing finished the job. Turned out great. East Park was a wonderful client to work with. We really appreciate it. I'll show you what the roof used to look like. We forgot to get you a shot. So it was a metal roof, a complete disaster with asphalt and everything on it. So it really took a lot of work to get it off, get it to the point where we can actually properly roof this thing in. Legacy Flat Roofing Sheet Metal, if you're in Southwestern Ontario area, we'd love to hear from you. East Park, thank you so much for allowing us to do the work. Thanks a lot.